Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Kia Optima Oil. Start by warming the engine for a few minutes, then shut it off. Position the drain pan under the oil pan and remove the drain plug with a wrench. Let oil fully drain while removing the old oil filter. Clean the sealing surface, install a new filter, replace the drain plug, and refill with the manufacturer-recommended oil. Begin draining by loosening the drain plug and letting oil flow into a pan. Keep hands clear of hot oil and wear gloves if possible. While oil drains, inspect the plug and gasket for wear and replace if needed. This step ensures a clean refill and prevents leaks. After draining, wipe the area, reinstall the plug to factory torque, and get ready to change the oil filter. Remove the used oil filter and check it for any metal particles or damage. Prepare the new filter by coating its gasket with a bit of fresh oil and screw it on hand tight. Refill the engine with the exact oil type and quantity recommended for your Optima, then run the engine briefly and check for leaks. Use the dipstick to confirm the correct oil level and adjust as necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.